We are looking at the January 2018 Part 2, question number 31. This is a statistics question, so we're going to use the stat menu from our calculator in order to find the answer. At Mountain Lake High School, the mathematics and physics scores of 9 students were compared, as shown in the table below. So what we need to do is we need to enter the mathematics scores into the first list in our calculator and the physics scores into the second list. So our math scores are going to be list 1, and our physics scores are going to be list 2. So if we take a look at our calculator, we're going to go to stats, press execute. If you have anything in the list, you want to press F6 for the additional menu, and we want to delete all, which is F4. We're going to do that for both lists. Okay. So then in the first list, we want to enter in the data for mathematics. So you do that by entering the number and hitting execute. I've entered in the data. You want to make sure that the two columns have an equal number of elements, otherwise you're going to get a mistake when you try and calculate it. So now I need to go to calculate. And if you're not there, you may have to hit either exit or you may have to press F6 for more options. So we want to calculate. We want to calculate the regression. It's a linear regression, so we press X. This would be quadratic, X squared. If you needed to do an exponential, you'd have to press F6 for more. So we're doing linear, so press F1. We want it in AX plus B form. And here's our linear regression line. Now, what they're asking us for in this problem is the correlation coefficient to the nearest hundredths. So the correlation coefficient is our R value on the calculator. So our correlation coefficient to the nearest hundredth would be 0.92. So we put the 0.92. Since this is positive and it's close to 1, then we have a strong positive correlation. And that's what it means in regard to the context of this situation. The closer it is to 1, the stronger it is. The closer it is to 0, the weaker it is. And that goes the same for positive and negative values.